How to make money with Kindle and bring in an extra $300 to $10,000 monthly as a beginner. In this video I'm going to reveal secrets on how to make money on Amazon and Kindle. Majority people recognize Amazon as one of the internet's biggest retailers. The demand for Amazon product is sky high and thus the possibility to make money is tremendous, that is if you know what you are doing and how to go about it. We will discuss how to make money with Amazon. If you would like to learn how to make extra money, this video should be helpful. There are a number of ways you can earn money on Amazon. One of the most popular methods is selling products on Amazon. If you own a product or can gain access to products wholesale, you can sell them on Amazon, hopefully for a profit. Another option is to promote other people's products for a percentage of the sales price. If you decide to go this route, it is often most profitable to promote more expensive products. These pay out the most money. Amazon's affiliate payouts aren't very high, at least in terms of percentage. Now, it is possible to make a lot of money selling low-priced products in bulk. However, in order to so successfully, it is necessary to cap the amount of money you spend on advertising. Advertising that is too expensive will cut into profits. These are just a few ways detailing how to earn fast cash. There are others. Selling ebooks or books is another. Kindle Money Mastery is a product that shows you how step by step. Kindle Money Mastery Review. Kindle Money Mastery is a system created by Stephen James Payouts. It explains how he makes money selling short ebooks and reports on Amazon via the Kindle platform. In all, he has earned six figures with this particular money-making method, each month pulling in $10,000 to $50,000 monthly. Even if you aren't a good writer, you can still earn money using this method. Outsourcing writing duties to someone else is an option, which can cost you $5 to create a book for you. Kindle has been an incredible success. Today, Amazon sells more Kindle titles than they do regular ones. There is a lot of money to be made. It's just a matter of finding a system that works and then working that system. There are a myriad of ways to earn money online. If you would like to learn how to make money on Amazon, you will find that there are a number of ways to go about it. Selling products, content in the form of short reports and ebooks, and working as an affiliate are all ways that you can earn money on Amazon and utilize. Kindle Money Mastery is a way to get the ball rolling. Kindle Money Mastery, a step-by-step system for earning six figures passive income with Kindle publishing on autopilot. For more details, click the link in the description box below this video today. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe.